Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today about 1966 Lincoln Continental Convertible. This was the car to have in '66. Kind of blew everybody away. You can pile everybody in this car. Power locks, windows, mirrors, suicide doors, one touch down top. Folds down in the trunk. She's finished in yellow. Even power vent windows. Pretty amazing. Seat 6. It's got a hidden Bluetooth radio. Tilt wheel. You name it. Nice super straight body. Love how the doors open like this. Very cool. And that is classy. Got a 462 under the hood. Automatic transmission. Power seat, power vent windows, which are really neat. But it's gotta be on. Showing 78,812 miles. Starts right up, really runs fantastic. It's got a speedometer, it's like a barrel, kind of rolls. Pretty neat. Day-night mirror. Seatbelts all the way around. The other seatbelts are kind of hidden in the crotch of the seat. I really like how this hood opens up. It's a little safety switch. There we go. It's got a new battery in it. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Turned the air on before, it wasn't really blowing cold. Battery. Regulator. Like everything's here though for the AC. Not sure why it's not working. For a quick cruise. Nice day to have the top down. Cool how that barrel kind of just rolls, you know. Woo-wee, it's a big boy. Runs real nice. I call it a nice driver. Not perfect or a show car, but it's definitely a nice driver. guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 photos today I took on the website. So, weebyautos.com.